So today we are going to discuss a Leetcode question named longest strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. So it is an easy question of the last week weekly context, and it says that you are given an array of integer nums. Return the length of the longest subarray of nums, which is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Okay. So like we are having an array and we have to like simply generate all the like brute force approach can be we have to generate all the subarrays and check the like strictly increasing like nums of I should be like if we are at nums of index I should it should be greater than nums of I minus 1 for strictly increasing, and for strictly decreasing it should be nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1. So we can, in brute force approach, we can generate all the sub-arrays or in an order of n square, and we can check like we can give the maximum length of strictly increasing and strictly decreasing simply. And so it is a order of n square approach, and like in brute force approach, we can do it in order of n. So let's see the example test case first. It says that nums is equal to 14332. So like the strictly increasing subarray length will be 1 and 4, it's increasing. Then simultaneously if we check for decreasing, it is 4 3, it is decreasing. So like for both of them the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing length is 2, so we are returning either of this, that is maximum is 2 only. So now let's see, like it's a very easy question, and like we can have one variable as incr increase length is equals to 1, and the decrement decrease length is equals to 1, and we can have one variable as max length is equals to 1. So let's suppose we are at index for I in range. We'll start from 1 and we'll go till the length of the array. And now for strictly increasing, we'll check that if nums of I, if we are at any particular index I, so for strictly increasing, this particular index value should be greater than the previous value. So nums of I should be greater than nums of I minus. Okay, so if we are having this, we will increment the counter of increase length, and like for decrease length it should be, we'll set it to 1. Then we'll check for decrease length like strictly decreasing if nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1. So for this we'll have decrement decreasing length pointer updated by 1, and we'll have the increasing length pointer equals to 1. Now it can be a case that both of them are like same, like both the elements are same. So in that case we'll have increasing length comma decreasing length pointer both reset to, and every time we'll update this max length is equals to, which will be maximum of max length comma maximum of increase length comma decrease length, and we'll simply return this return max length. So this is our code. It's a pretty easy problem, and let's run it on all test cases, like on the sample test cases. So it is giving syntax error, I guess. Okay, 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 I got it. Oh, I forgot this. Oh, now it will be fine. So sample test cases are running all, and now if we submit the code, so it is getting accepted. And coming to the time complexity of the above code, so the time complexity is order of n because we are simply running a for loop till the n where n is the length of the array, and space complexity is order of 1 because we are not using any of the extra space. So it's order of 1 and time complexity is order of n. So that's all for this question. Thank you all.